Hi, I'm Paul the Computer Doctor. Are you having problems with your computer? Well, I can take care of all of those problems that you're experiencing. It doesn't matter whether it be a virus problem, your computer has crashed, it doesn't want to boot up into Windows. It doesn't matter what the problem is. I service them all, from laptop repair to towers. If you need a new computer, I build them. If you're looking for a gaming computer, I build those as well. I could build the gaming machine of your dreams. All you have to do is pick up the phone, give me a call at 518-332-1178. You can send me a text also if you like. My email address, paulsilnick@gmail.com, just like you see on the screen here. So don't hesitate and give me a call. Now, if you can't come to me, I could come to you, because I make house calls. What doctor do you know today makes house calls? They don't. This one does, because I'm Paul, the Computer Doctor.